What I'm going to do now is add another feature that's very important for the Mousetrap is the Latch feature. Okay, and this is a very cool feature that's been added. And we now want to go to settings and then alarm strategies. And what we're going to do is add a new alarm strategy. I'm going to skip the tutorial at the bottom again, the plus, then new strategy, and I'm just going to call this Latched. I'll put it in all uppercase because it's important. I'm going to do it create. So that strategy has now been created, just created, not set up yet. So what I'm going to do is go into edit, and you can see the alarm latch right below do not disturb is disabled. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to say manual acknowledge. Under that, we've got send email. I don't really, in this case, I'm just going to try it without all the email and all that stuff. So I'll just say none there. So really no other actions other than the application itself, getting a notification, and the latch feature, which I'll show you in a minute here. So I'm going to do a save. Okay, we now have a latch feature. So we have the latch strategy set up. So I come back out to the main screen, click on the vibration sensor, and you can see the alarm strategy is default. We're going to change that to latched. Okay, what that's going to do is now go into latch mode. And there's a special mode that makes it harder to ignore when an alarm goes off. So you don't want a bad mouse sitting in a trap for a long time, getting rotten. So we're going to say, yeah. We've still got the time to enter no vibration state for 1 minute. So I'll just show you here. Let's come back out. And I'm going to tap the vibration sensor. You're going to see that the screen for where it says vibration sensor, that is going to have a red background on it. So are you ready? Here, 1, 2, 3. Touched it. And you can see there's a pop-up vibration detected, but also went reddish on the back end. I'll show you here. I'll close this. And there it's gone to vibration detected in a reddish background. And it's important to note that. So you can see there it went to no vibration detected after 1 minute. So that's gone back to normal, but it's still in latched mode. If you went on vacation and you cleared all your notifications by accident, didn't see the YoLink important one from the Mousetrap, then when you look at a certain time, you can go into the YoLink app. I'll just check for any red ones when you get home or whatever and deal with those. So what happens here is to clear that, we're going to click on that icon, the vibration sensor anywhere, and then we're going to click on that red bell at the top, and you can see their alarm has been latched since. So if this thing went on and off and on and off a couple of times, you're going to still see the first time it went off. The latch has been latched since. Okay, we're going to do a reset alarm on that, and you can see here we confirm it that everything is back to normal. We go back to the home screen, everything's green. So that's a very handy feature that probably should use with a Mousetrap especially, or something like that. Anything like a leak detector, that sort of thing, if you wanted to add that. They're all handy for the latch feature too. So that's totally at your discretion how you want to handle that, but it is level.
Hi guys. Besides all of the benefits that you get from the YoLink as it is, there's also advanced training that you can learn how to do things like link the traps together, rename traps, advanced settings, best baits to use, increase distance beyond the 1/4 mile, which is a long way, send alerts to multiple emails, and the best use of the nut hold, and new videos that are either there now or will be added. So keep your eye by going to TrapEzEEE.com and take a look under the support section, and you'll see videos and different support tips and tricks that you can do there. The system that you have will work as it is, but there's a lot that you can add to it in terms of other features.